Twitter, you have exceeded the number of allowed attempts to verify your phone. So if you are facing this problem, then don't worry, today in this video I'll be showing you the way to fix it. So watch this video till the end and do subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now let's get into the video. So for that, you just have to go back and you have to open up to Google over here. And you just have to tap on the search bar and search for help.twitter.com. You can see in this section. Immediately after searching, you will be able to see Twitter Help Center. You just have to go for that. Over here, you will find a search bar where you have to tap and search for Contact Twitter. Soon after searching, you will be available with various options. Just scroll down and there is help with account reactivation option. You just have to go for that. And if you scroll down a little bit, here is contact our support system with the highlighted color. Simply tap over there. And you will be directly opened up to the option over here from where you can contact directly with Twitter. So here, how can we help you with your account option is given. You just have to tap on the drop down and you can select for I need to regain access to my Twitter account. And further, you just have to tell more for them so that they will help you or guide you. So you just have to tap on the drop down and select that I forgot my password over here. And they are asking that which method you have used for signing up your account. So that can be either email address or phone number. You just can select according to your preference, and you just have to scroll down a little bit where you will be able to see the text fields. Here your account or information is already given. If it's not your account and you want to reset it, you just can go for reset and you can reset your account. And finally, after the text box, you can enter that I have been facing problem getting the verification code, so I'm not able to have the verification code and log into my account. After doing that, you just can go for submit at the left button corner. And finally, after doing that, Twitter will contact you through any media and guide you to log into your account easily. So this is how you can fix your problem. So I hope this video was helpful. If you want us to make any tutorial videos on any topics, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.